What's happening, Kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today we're doing another install video, man, and what we're installing today is some LED blinkers. Some LED blinkers on the front. They're gonna have the halo ring for the daytime running lights, and then it'll have the blinker whenever you go to initiate the blinkers. And then we also got the back ones as well to replace those. So let's go ahead and get to it. If you watch my other videos, then you know we just did a whole headlight running lamp swap on Old Blue. So let me show you what that looks like. We did the whole black backing Daymaker style headlight and passing lamps. So on that, we ordered off of eBay. I wasn't too happy about it because the whole cutting stuff I did, I had to do in order to make them fit. But my buddy Kevo's actually the ones that do the koozies, man. He does the koozies, the leather tooling on the koozies.
I don't have one on this one though.
Not yet. So if you're interested, go check him out at KC Works on Instagram, y'all. But anyway, so we got these headlights put in, and what I ended up doing, at the same time I had ordered those, I ordered these. So these blinkers are the LED blinkers. They've got the halo ring and then the blinker in the middle. But I didn't do my research, I guess, because the style headlights, the style of blinkers that I have are the flat style. Those actually go in the bullet style blinkers, and let me show you which style I have. Flat style is this here. I have a 2010 Ultra Classic, Electra Glide Ultra Classic, if you don't know already, but that's the style I have. These are made for the bullet style blinkers, so shit wouldn't fit. Luckily, my boy Andrew from Turn Midwest, right here,
Hey, I'm Andrew Manuel. This is my YouTube channel, Tour in Midwest.
had some stuff from Rogue Rider Industries. And like I said before, man, I wish I had ordered stuff from them. I will eventually, and they've got top quality stuff. But what it is these adapters. These adapters here actually attach to the blinker, and what they do is they actually hold the blinker in place to where they don't fall back into the blinker housing, right? Because the blinker housing on mine is a lot wider than what the blinker is itself. So these here actually help attach the blinker. You attach the blinker to this, and then you install this inside the housing on the bike. So if you have flat style blinkers and you're trying to install these LED lights, make sure you have to get some of these or else it will not work. So learn from my mistake. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take these off, and then, oh, he also sent me, man, my boy hooked me up. He also sent me dark lens cover lenses. These are dark smoke. He had the clear, and he also had light smoke, but I wanted the dark smoke, so he hooked me up, man, with the dark smoke. On mine, all I did was I painted the lens with it's an orange lens, and then they have this spray paint that tints it, right? So I just tinted mine. So luckily he sent me these because these are the right ones. I just did mine like that real quick just to darken them out, because I try to darken everything on my bike. So let's go ahead and get to it, man. I'm gonna hand the camera over to Kevo. I'm gonna hand the camera to Kevo so he can get some close-ups and stuff and show you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So let's get to it. All right, Kinfolk. First of all, you always got to have a beer. Always got to have a beer before you get started working. If not, you'll mess it up. So let's get to it. So on these here, all we gotta do is just got some Phillips head screws. Lens comes off. We've got the 1157 bulb. So the 1157, all that means is it's a dual element, right? right? So you have your running light, and then you have another element that will be for the blinker. So you just take this out. So whenever you order these lights, these replacements, you got to make sure if you have 1157 in the front, you got to make sure you get 1157. 1156 bulbs, I mean, it's just a single element and you only have a blinker. This is 1157, that's what we have here. So with these adapters, we're gonna take this ring, put these double-sided tape that comes in the kit. These are actually gonna go on the blinkers like this here, and then it will attach to the ring to where you have something like that, okay? And then these, just like that, which will hold the blinker from spinning or anything like that, right? And then when you put the cap on, it'll put pressure on it and hold it in there like that. Because if you try to put them in there without it, that's what you have. The blinker, light, LED system is not gonna work. So let me go ahead and get the rings put on here. I'll get the double-sided tape put on here, and we'll get all this stuck together, and then we'll get them on.
So I was left alone out here with the bike and everything, and that's about it.
No.
I just fucking around.
Alright, Kim folks, so whenever you go to put these on, man, you want to make sure this flat part of this ring is towards the top, because that's what, it's got this little bump in there. So that's what's going to let this fit in there. Because if you try to put it this way, it's going to hit up here. So just make sure the flat part's towards the top. These, like I said, are off of eBay, man. And this shit here is pretty damn sharp. So what we're going to do, we're going to come up here, and I'm going to use this damn screwdriver. Because if not, I'm probably going to cut my fucking fingers. And just turn it in like that. This will go in like this. And then we'll come in with the other smoke lens on there like that. Screw her down. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. There she goes. So that's what they're gonna look like after you install them, man. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do the backside. Same exact procedure, same exact thing. So let's do the back end, and then we'll get back with you so you can see what they look like afterwards. Be back in a minute. All right, kinfolk, we are finished with the blinker installation, man. It's quick, easy install. Again, I wish I could have got some Rogue Rider Industry lights, but I did not. But thank you to my buddy Touring Midwest, Andrew at Touring Midwest. I was able to get the right adapters. So again, make sure y'all do your little bit of research, man. And if you're wanting to do this and you have the flat style blinkers, make sure you get those from Rogue Rider Industries. But let's go ahead and take a look at them. Again, these are just eBay blinkers, man, the LED blinkers. So we're gonna get a peep at them, and I'll show you what they look like with the dark smoke lenses. All right, Kim folks, so let me go ahead and show you what they look like after they are installed. Oh my God, that actually looks really fucking cool. It looks like a cat eye type deal. It doesn't look just like a straight ring. That looks pretty sick. And that's got to do with the lens. The lens, I know, does that. That's pretty badass. So that's what it looks like from the back side. I mean, all the way back here. All right, Kebo, hit them blinkers, bro. So that's your left blinker. Oh, I probably need a resistor because it's blinking a little fast, but I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna leave it like that. I like that. Hit the other one. Or hit the flashers. That's the flashers. So they blink regular on flashers, but whenever you put the blinkers on, if you don't have a resistor, they blink flat fast. All right, let's check out the back. All right, so here's the back, kinfolk. That's with it blinking. Your left blinker. Bam. So like I said, because I don't have a resistor on there, they blink fast, but I like that, man. So if you don't want them to blink fast, there's your flashers. right there. Badass. So if you don't want them to blink fast, you have to get a resistor on them, which I'm not worried about. I'm not gonna fool with it. Resistors aren't hard to install. So just look those up, man, if you're interested in resistors to where your blinkers don't blink fast. Because when you go to LEDs from incandescent, they will do that. So in order to stop that, you have to have a resistor on there. But that's it, kinfolk. That's it. Installation of this is done, man. Like I said, it wasn't that hard. It was pretty quick. And so if you're interested in those, make sure you check them out, man, the LEDs. But I would go with a name brand, Rogue Rider Industries, 03D, something like that, man. But if you have these flat style blinkers, make sure you get those adapters or else it will not work. So until next time, kinfolk, me and Kevo, come on this side, Kevo, where it's fucking lighted up. We are gonna try to catch you on the next one. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped you out. So I really do dig those blinkers. What do you think of them, Kevo?
I like them.
They're pretty badass. I do like them. But eventually I'm gonna get the best ones. So until next time, much love, much respect. Me and Kevo says,
Knuckles out.
Knuckles out. Cheers, brother.